Hi, Year Nines. So you are going to write a 4-mark question on whether the design argument basically proves the existence of God. So you looked at this before half term. Does the design argument, the argument that the world is so well designed, the universe is so well put together, there must be something or someone that put it together, it's so well designed, it must have had a designer. Does that prove there's a God, that things just fit so well together? Does it prove that there's a God or not? And you need to give what's called contrasting views. That means it needs to either be between religions. You could have a Christian view and a Muslim view, and both would agree that yes, this helps to prove the existence of God. Muslims and Christians would each say, yes, it does. God designed the universe, but they're contrasting because they're different religions. Or you can do the contrasting as someone who would say, yes, it does prove the existence of God, could be Christian or Muslim, and then no, it doesn't prove the existence of God. That would be the atheist view, or agnostic, but you can do atheist view. So the writing frame I've got here takes that second way of contrasting, okay? So I'm going to do it, the design argument. Some would say that it does prove the existence of God because of how well things have been put together. You could do, e.g., the human eye shows great intricacy and complexity. It means that there must have been a designer. Example. Secondly, we're going to do the contrasting one as atheist. So the view is that it does not prove the existence of God because some things in the world do not seem very well designed. E.g., cancer in children. For example, that's a design fault. It's not very well designed if you have cancer in children. Is that part of God's design? Is that what God wanted? This means that loving God would not have designed a universe like this. Therefore, it doesn't prove that God exists. So the first thing you're going to say is, yes, it does prove that God exists because the universe is so well designed. And give an example. And the second one, you can say, no, it doesn't prove that there is a designer because some things don't seem very well designed at all. Or if you want to be super clever, a different one you could say is perhaps it looks well designed to us just because everything has adapted to look like that. So we look like we're well designed for this world, but actually we've just adapted. That's what we're looking at more in this lesson. So don't feel you have to use that point. Okay, good luck, and I look forward to reading them.